What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. That's Sarah. Today we're heading to the 2021 Charlotte Auto Show. They didn't have the show last year due to everything going on, and they got it opened up. I had to work all day. We're going out of town this weekend, so we only have 1 hour to be here, and I'm here for one reason only. Let's check out the new 2022 BRZ, but we'll also see what else is going on. Let's go check out the show. Got the giant auto show right there. Balloons there. We'll grab one of those on the way out. Alright guys, here it is. I've really been wanting to see this car in person, and just as everybody has said, it looks even better in person. I'm really hoping this video does it justice, but I think it looks really, really good. I wasn't the biggest fan when this one first came out, when they released this design, but when you see it in person, it is way, way more aggressive. I actually do like the rear end. I'm seeing it in person. You can see a lot of modifying potential with this car. I love the big openings for the exhaust tips, tail lights. Really love the rocker panel down there. The open vents. Man, even the grille pops out a lot more than I thought it would, so it gives it like a little bit more of an aero look. There's some dogs over there, so Sarah's freaking out. Anyways, let's get some good shots of this car, get in it, and take a look at it. Hop in and check out the interior. I can already tell you that door feels a lot nicer.
So like your seat.
Got the suede. Yeah, it's got newer seats. Newer seats. They look like a little bit bigger than the FRS seats, but let's hop in here and check it out. It's way different. I'll tell you just right off the bat, it feels more, I don't know, like a regular kind of car, but I mean, all the switches are really, really cool. You know, of course, the battery's turned off since we're here in the show, but the shifter feels really good. I do like the new dashboard. It is a lot higher quality than the one I have in the FRS. I wish, you know, the digital gauges and everything would turn on, but I don't know, everything feels really, really solid. I'm gonna close the door here. Yeah, it definitely feels a little bit more solid. Still the same useless back seats we have in the FRS, but I don't know, I really want to drive this thing. It feels really, really nice in here. Oh, someone popped the trunk. Oh, this is kind of cool. We had to get our own little center console for my car, but yeah, the way this is, finally something useful in here. Those are the cup holders you get. The cup holders in the door are a lot more useful. You know, mine, it goes over it, so if I have a larger thing, it doesn't fit in there, but this is a lot better. I want one.
Designed with thick padding and a durable polyester shell.
If you let me get that BRZ, we can have all that stuff. Alright, it's time to rock down to Electric Avenue. So we're looking at all the new electric vehicles here, and this is a Polestar 1. I believe these are based on Volvo, or this is Volvo's electric company. I might be wrong on that. I'm not sure if you can get in here. You cannot, but oh my gosh, that is really, really cool. I mean, I'm a huge fan of gas engines. I hope they don't go anywhere, even though we all know where they're going. But yeah, that's the Polestar logo. So Landon, my brother-in-law, saw one of these driving down the road that I work on a few months ago. Couldn't figure out what it was. We looked at the logo. Turns out it was a Polestar in test mode. And I mean, giant wheels, Pirelli P0 tires on it. I don't know much about this car, but I'm sure it flies. Let's check it out. This one is $161,000.
Shift knob?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got like crystal shift knob in there. 161 grand. This is a Polestar 2. So this is their sedan. As you can tell, it looks very, very similar to a Volvo. So you can see where it gets the styling from. But these are really, really cool. I mean, I think 12-year-old me, I feel like I was in the future, and I mean, we're getting there. Very cool. Got a Hemi Durango here, stripes. Yeah, these things are pretty freaking sweet. I've driven one. They're very fast. All right, guys, this is freaking hilarious. We got the Dodge SRT Hellcat, 95 grand. And it is a Dodge Durango with a Hellcat motor in it. That is unreal. There's so many electric cars here. New SUVs are electric, and Dodge is just putting a Hellcat motor in everything. It's got the forged carbon fiber on the doors, forged carbon in there, the Hellcat seats. You can get the SRT Hellcat in the back. Oh my gosh, I bet this thing flies. Just the absolutely massive SRT Hellcat engine. Oh my gosh. I actually haven't seen one of these in person yet. This is the Ram T-Rex. Absolutely massive. It's got a Hellcat engine in it. And I think it is so sexy. Has a very, very good looking truck. Actually saw a Street Speed 717 ramp one of these right off the factory. He had it, he bought one for 95 grand, took it off a jump and totaled it. And Bilstein actually asked him to send the shocks from his truck so they could do research and development on it. Here it is. This is what it's like getting in the Ram T-Rex. Yeah. Feels really, really nice in here. I just wish I could drive it. Got the new 2021 Ford Bronco. Again, I really like these things in person too. This is the Outer Banks version of the Bronco. I actually saw one of these at Cars and Coffee not too long ago. I don't know if they're not letting us in the Bronco, but that's okay. This is the hardtop version, which if I were to get a Bronco, I would definitely get a hardtop, but I don't know. You like the Outer Banks version of this car? It's kind of cool, huh? Of course, we got the Ferraris out here. Very nice. Not that great of an exotic car display, but hey, anytime you can see some Ferraris, it's a good day.
I'll take one of these, please.
That's your color. I could see you driving an Aston Martin. Makes me miss the Aston Martin. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll have another Aston Martin in the garage, and hopefully it looks just like this one. Got the new Bentley Continental convertible. Very beautiful. Red. This is a Continental GT Speed. It's got a 12 in there. And yeah, really, really nice interior. I love like diamond stitching, the carbon fiber dash and everything in there. Very sporty. Well guys, I came here today to tell you that we got a new car for the channel, and here it is, the big reveal. That's right, BRZ was nice, C8s are sweet, everybody loves an Aston Martin or a new Bronco, but nobody has an Oscar Mayer wiener at the car shows. This one, I'm gonna go to the car shows, I'm gonna bring these props. Sarah is gonna walk around like this, and you can get pictures with us. Just please look for us out on the roads. The new 2021 Oscar Mayer wiener mobile. It's a hybrid too. Well, guys, we got the new C8. Of course, everybody's seen these now, but I haven't had the chance to get in one of these now, so I'm gonna wait my turn and get in this rapid blue Porsche for C8. I just got done looking at the Porsches. Give me a break. Oh, yeah. This definitely looks like a Ferrari. Let's get in here. This thing is freaking sweet. Nice. I love all the blue everywhere. Still love how driver focused it is. Very sweet. Okay, I haven't been the biggest fan of the Mustang Mach-E, but actually seeing this one in person, this is a Mach-E 4X, I guess? 24X. It's kind of cool because you actually don't have door handles. Just press this little button. And look at the screens in this thing. This is the GT. It's a giant screen. Well, that show was awesome. Got to see pretty much everything, but my main mission was accomplished, to check out the new 2022 BRZ. And I've said like 15 times in this video, but it's way, way better in person. You guys got to check it out if you haven't already. Don't judge it until you actually see it. I get it, it's not the same as the old one, but I think we're going to see some really, really cool things with these cars in the near future, especially when people start modifying them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Like always, if you do enjoy it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. See you guys in the next video. Peace.